So I'm walking through airport security, right? And I'm almost through, about to go on vacation, but apparently I was going the wrong way. So all of a sudden this security guard says, "Where do you think you're going?" And I said, "Florida." And he thought I was just being a smartass. So then he didn't let me go through. And I got interrogated and everything. And that's why I'm not on vacation with my friends.
Well, it takes that little to piss them off?
I guess.
You wanna watch a movie and have a drink?
Yeah, sure. I have this imported stuff from Eastern Europe. You want to try it?
Sure. So, what's on the marquee for today?
We are watching Werewolf of Wall Street.
Ugh, can't believe they actually made this.
This is pretty good, actually, right?
Sure, I'll have some after the movie.
What did you think?
Oh, it's alright.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
John, what are you doing?
I'm hungry, Mom.
Why are you eating our Sunday dinner on a Tuesday?
I've got a craving, Mom.
Do you know how long I searched for that particular cut of meat? I went to 3 stores trying to find the right kind. Don't you growl at me, young man.
Hey, man.
Hey.
You don't work today?
No, I called in sick.
Huh. I just tried that alcohol you had last night. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So, why were you howling last night? Did you get injured, or was someone else in bed with you?
Neither. Just happened. I had a craving for raw meat. And I gotta say, this is some of the best stuff I've ever had.
Really?
Huh?
Let me try some. Wow. I would have thought raw meat would taste disgusting. This is delicious.
Right? So what about you? How's work?
Oh, I got fired for growling at a customer, but other than that, it's fine.
Why were you growling at a customer?
I don't know. I was surrounded by meat and I was hungry.
So you're growling at customers. I'm hauling at a moon. We're both eating raw meat. Are we turning into carnivores?
I was gonna go with werewolves, but you know.
Who said? So if you're not working anymore, I'm not. There's nothing really keeping us here.
Right. And what's your plan then?
You want to live in the woods?
Sure. We can eat some camp counselors.
Yeah. Come on. Pack up. Let's go.
Hey!
Come on.